In this example, we're going to use base blocks to divide integers to make sense of why we divide integers using long division the way we do. So we're going to use the same grouping idea we used with the chips, but now we're going to group base blocks, which represent larger numbers. So that'll be helpful in streamlining so we don't have to write out 564 chips. So represent 564 with base blocks. Well, that would be 3, 4, 5 flats. Then we'd have 6 rods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 units. So there's 564. Okay. Now it says use the 4 bins below to show how you partition the base blocks into 4 equally sized groups. So this is kind of like the idea with the lollipops. We basically want to give equal amounts to each group until we run out of base blocks to find how to get them into equally sized groups. So we don't know how many go in each group, we just know how many groups there are. So let's start by drawing this. So for flats, let me use green. So I see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats. I have 4 groups, so everybody can get 1 flat. So flat for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 for you. So now I'm going to cross these out because I've used them. But now notice the problem is I have 1 more flat, okay? But how am I going to break that into the 4 groups? Well, what we do is we're going to decompose this into 10 rods, okay? So we could try to break up the flat in some other way, but that would just make it more complicated. So instead, I'm going to cross out this flat, and I'm going to use blue to show that I'm adding 10 rods. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we're done with the flats. We have rods and units, and we have a total of 16 rods. Okay. So now there's 4 groups. Well, if I divide 16 by 4, that would be exactly 4. So I could give 4 rods to each group, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This may be a little cumbersome to draw, so I'm going to, oops, I meant to change colors there. Here's 1 group of 4, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and everybody gets a group of 4 rods. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we didn't have any rods left over, so we didn't have to make any rods into units. Now we can just partition the units, and notice that there's exactly 4, so each group can get 1 unit. So we've broken 564 into 4 equally sized groups, and our result or quotient is going to be the amount in each group. Well, notice each group has 100, 4 rods, and 1 unit. So this is 141 per group. So our corresponding math equation is 564 divided by 4 equals 141.